Hello friends, today we'll see the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry and exercise number 8.4, question 3 and the sum number 2. We need to evaluate that sin 25 into cos 65 plus cos 25 into sin 65. So, whenever you find the angles which are 25, 65, 25, 65 which are not 0, 30, 60, 45 or 90, okay, these are our regular angle we have learned. Okay, so if you find this kind of angles, not this 0, 30, 60, 45, 45, 90, then you should think about the complementary angles to convert them. Okay, so let's do, and first of all you need to convert them in use the complementary angle, and then you need to make any identity, and accordingly you can convert them. Okay, so let's see. So here I am having a sin 25, so I can write sin 90 minus 65, so it would be a sin 25 into, I am not going to change the cos 65. Why? That we can understand on our next step. Same thing here, plus here I am having a cos 25, so I can write cos 90 minus 65, so it would be a cos 25 and no change in a sin 65. Okay, so why I did not change sin and this cos? Because in our next step it will be useful, you will understand why we have not changed it. And as you know that what is the complementary angle of sin? So if I say sin 90 minus theta, so its complementary angle is only cos theta, so we can say that the complementary angle of sin is cos theta, so only theta will be there with the cos. Okay, same wise with the cos theta, sorry, cos 90 minus theta, it would be sin theta, only theta will go there. Okay, you can understand, you can see over here we are having 90 minus 65, so it would be a sin 90 minus 65, so the sign will change to the cos, sign will change to the cos. Okay, so sin 90 minus 65 is cos 65 only. Okay, so equal to cos 65. Okay, and multiply with the cos 65. So you now have understood that cos 65 into cos 65 would become cos 65 square. So it would be useful for us to do the next step here. Cos 90 minus 65, so we can write cos will convert to the sin because it's a complementary angle. 90 minus 65, so it would be sin 65 only, plus sin 65 and multiply with the sin 65. So you can see that we got the same function over here. So you can write like this: cos square 65 plus sin square 65. So do you remember any identity like this? Yes, we have sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the same thing, applying the same identity over here. We are having the same angle theta, same angle 65, so it would be a 1. Okay, done.